Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 60. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this new blush that is a loose powder from Synergen's First Impression called Peach Flesh, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button so let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, so I decided to hop on really quick and try out this new blush. It's a loose powder from Synergen's. There are two blushes. This one I have is Peach Flush, and it works with my skin tone. We do have blush scents, but these are new. So there's Peach Flesh and Glistening Plum. So there's two of them, but this is not sealed at all. Completely, not open. So I'm giving you my first impression. This has been out for a little bit, and I will put a link down below so that you can shop each of these two new blushes. They have skincare in them. They have they're anti-aging, water resistant. They're amazing, and I'm pretty sure this one is going to be on repeat for spring and summer. So this is what it looks like. Put the cap back on, and it's just like our loose powder, because this is a loose powder. So it comes in this little thing, has this thing on it. That is very pigmented, super pigmented. So I have never tried this blush ever, and I have all of my base face on, and I wanted to use a clean brush for you, but usually I've been using this brush for this brush for my blush because it's more rounded, but I'm gonna use this fan one, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go off camera real quick, take a picture, and come back. Okay, so I took a picture off camera. Now I'm going to take, this is very loose powder. It is amazing. Has skincare in it. All of our products, even the blush, is vegan free and cruelty free. It's not tested on any animals. All of our skincare, hair care, makeup is made in the US only. So I'm only putting on a little bit on the brush because it's a powder and it's very, very pigmented. So here I go. So I'm kind of gonna go not right on my cheek, but I'm gonna go right here. And that is super pretty. I like it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like the glistening plum too. If you want more, you can add more. Sorry, I keep looking in the mirror. Do you see that? It is super pretty. I'm only going to do it on for blush today because I'm running out of time, but I want to try it on my eyes, so I might do, that's a lot of blush, but do you see that? Oh my gosh, I got way more on this side, and that always happens. So I want to show you, so I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you what it looks like, and then come back and use a foundation brush because I have things to do today. So, and show you how you can simmer it down. So hold that though. Okay, so I'm in more natural lighting, and it does look like very peachy, pinky orange. I love it. I should have went more upwards instead of downwards, but I really, really like it. So now I'm going to flip the camera back around and show you how you can, it doesn't look bad, but how you can, if you get too much, you can use your foundation brush. Okay, so I'm going to take the brush I used today for my foundation, and I'm just gonna go over it, and it's not as pigmented as it would be, but it's still pigmented. That's a little hack for you guys, so you get 2 in 1. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to finish up here. See how it's like just settle? I'm in love with almost every product that Stynagens has. I'll put a link down below. And if you go to checkout and you want a discount, you click that preferred Kiss and Tell customer box, and that will give you 10% off all your purchases if you live in the US. And if you spend $100, you get free shipping, free samples, and your products. Spend $150, you get free shipping, your products, free samples, and a gift. And we don't know what that is. Just like you'll be surprised. So I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup and come back with the end result for you guys. Okay, so I'm back with the end result, and off camera I did put it on my eyes, and I put Santal Pearl shimmer with it, and it is amazing. I am so in love with this blush. I'm pretty sure it's going to be on repeat. So, and you want to get your hands on it because it's probably going to sell out pretty fast. So, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Click that link, check the box, spend $100 to get free shipping, $150 you get free shipping samples, and a gift. But yeah, don't hesitate, don't wait, go get it. So please like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell before you leave, so that you will be notified when I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.